Chudipsu and hello all beloved friends here. My name is Kim Chae. I grew up in low-income family with a strong single mother who worked hard so I could go to school. Thanks to scholarship, I was able to study from high school to university, and that changed my life. Now, I want to give back. I am raising funds for Johnny Getting our community JWOC organization by eating vegetarian food for 2 weeks to support education for Cambodian youth. If you believe education can change lives, please have support to my challenge. Even $1 it can make a big difference. Thank you so much for your support to my challenge and contribute with me. So my challenge starts from 15 October to 28 October. I will post on my Facebook page, and I hope you will enjoy watching this challenge with me and do a support or make donation from this challenge. Thank you again. Bye bye.